Welcome to Agri-Gadget Picks. Enhance water quality and prevent algae buildup with reliable solar-powered solutions. The best solar pond aerator efficiently oxygenates your pond, promoting a healthier ecosystem for fish and plants. Easy to install, energy-saving, and perfect for any pond size. After watching the video, be sure to check the links in the description below for each item. Now, let's get started.
Number 1. POPOSOAP 70-Watt Solar Pond Aerator. The POPOSOAP 70-Watt Solar Pond Aerator is a powerful and efficient solution for maintaining healthy water circulation in medium to large ponds. Built with grade A+ solar cells and a foldable high-efficiency panel, this system captures sunlight effectively to deliver stable and consistent water spray performance. With a maximum flow rate of 580 GPH and a lift height of 9.2 feet, it creates impressive water movement that helps improve oxygen levels while enhancing the visual appeal of your pond. The adjustable control valve allows you to fine-tune both flow rate and spray height to suit your needs. Its multi-protection design includes water shortage protection to prevent motor burnout and a dual pre-filter system to reduce clogging from debris. Operating at under 40 dB, it runs quietly without disturbing your outdoor space. With multiple spray modes, nozzles, and easy maintenance features, this aerator offers both reliability and flexibility for long-term pond care. Number 2. Lewisia 30-Watt Solar Pond Aerator. The Lewisia 30-Watt Solar Pond Aerator is designed for pond owners who want dependable aeration with advanced control features. Equipped with a large 30-watt solar collector, it delivers strong airflow and longer operating time compared to smaller units. The adjustable airflow settings, low, medium, and high, allow you to customize oxygen output based on pond size and fish needs. Its built-in dual 4400 mAh batteries provide extended runtime, operating up to 22 hours on low mode after a full charge, making it suitable for nighttime use. The timer function is especially convenient, allowing you to set working periods and intervals up to 24 hours. Two large air stones ensure efficient oxygen distribution throughout the water. Installation is flexible with a metal bracket that supports ground or wall mounting, while the 180-degree adjustable panel helps maximize sunlight absorption. This aerator combines smart controls, strong airflow, and reliable battery backup for consistent pond performance.
Number 3. Natural 3-Foot Solar Pond Aerator. The Natural 3-Foot Solar Pond Aerator is a robust floating fountain system designed for larger ponds that require strong circulation and visual impact. Powered by a 50-watt solar setup with dual 25-watt panels, it operates efficiently in direct sunlight and produces an impressive spray height of 7 to 8 feet. With pumping capacity reaching up to 900 GPH and a maximum of 1300 GPH depending on configuration, it significantly improves water movement and aeration in spacious water gardens. The floating design automatically adjusts to changing water levels, eliminating complex installation requirements. Setup is straightforward and typically completed within minutes, as the kit includes panels, pump, cable, anchor kit, and wiring. Multiple interchangeable nozzles allow you to customize spray patterns for both oxygenation and decorative appeal. While best suited for ponds rather than lakes, this system offers strong performance, flexible placement, and optional battery compatibility for extended use. Number 4. POPOSOAP 15-Watt Solar Pond Aerator. The POPOSOAP 15-Watt Solar Pond Aerator is a compact yet effective solution for smaller ponds, aquariums, and hydroponic systems. Powered entirely by upgraded glass solar panels with grade A+ cells, it operates without external wiring, making installation simple and eco-friendly. This unit offers 3 working modes: strong bubble, soft bubble, and cycle mode, allowing you to adjust aeration based on your pond's needs. With dual air outlets and an airflow rate of 0.8 liters per minute, it distributes oxygen evenly to support fish health. The built-in 4400 mAh rechargeable battery ensures continued operation at night or during cloudy weather, providing dependable oxygen supply when sunlight is limited. Setup takes only minutes, and its lightweight design makes it suitable for outdoor ponds, fish tanks, and even fishing trips. For those seeking an affordable and low-maintenance aeration system, this model delivers reliable daily performance.
Number 5. NFESOLAR 15-Watt Solar Pond Aerator. The NFESOLAR 15-Watt Solar Pond Aerator offers practical and efficient aeration for outdoor ponds and fish tanks. Powered by a 15W solar panel, this wire-free system is environmentally friendly and easy to install without complicated wiring. It features dual air outlets with an airflow rate of 1 liter per minute, ensuring adequate oxygen distribution throughout the water. The 3 selectable modes, strong bubble, soft bubble, and circulation, allow you to adapt performance depending on pond size and weather conditions. Its built-in 4400 mAh rechargeable battery provides impressive runtime, supporting operation for extended periods once fully charged. Even during low sunlight conditions, switching modes helps conserve power and maintain steady aeration. Operating at around 50 decibels, it runs quietly without disturbing your outdoor environment. Combining reliable battery support, flexible working modes, and steady airflow, this aerator is a dependable choice for maintaining a healthier aquatic ecosystem. Investing in the best solar pond aerator ensures a cleaner, healthier pond with improved water circulation and oxygen levels. Its eco-friendly solar operation saves energy while supporting aquatic life. Easy to maintain and durable, this aerator is a smart choice for anyone committed to a thriving, balanced pond environment.